Sakeliga'S is establishing sound constitutional principles for thriving economies regardless of state failure. And doing so does not require litigating about every local municipal problem across the country. Local businesses and communities are best placed to address their municipalities' problems and take urgent legal action on pressing issues, and Sakeliga'S welcomes this. Our role as Sakeliga'S is to establish, by means of litigation in some municipalities, legal principles for judicial recognition of communities, especially business communities' role to restore and maintain order in their towns, regardless of state decay. These legal principles for community management that Sakeliga'S establishes can then be applied by business communities in any municipality. We are currently litigating with businesses in Lichtenburg, Vryburg and Kulini in Northwest to pave the way to legal principles for community management. In these towns, businesses and the public are subjected to the consequences of municipal collapse when they could solve the problems themselves. This is an untenable situation and means that residents and businesses, not because of their own incapacity, but because of the incapacity of the state, do not have water, sewage often runs in the streets, and power cuts are implemented above and beyond load shedding, and many more problems. Sakeliga'S will be in the High Court in Mahikeng on the 23rd and 24th of March with businesses for an order to compel the National Treasury to urgently and effectively intervene in the Ditsobotla and Naledi municipalities in Northwest and tackle service delivery problems. The provincial government has already failed in their attempt to intervene, and if the national government, in terms of Sakeliga'S order, solves the problems, it will be welcome, of course. But if they also fail, like the provincial government, the way is then paved to approach the court again and establish lasting legal principles for community management. These principles should provide for alternative management of taxes and rates and community involvement in service delivery and infrastructure. Sakeliga'S litigation strategy to create a reliable legal environment within which business people can solve problems themselves and create order takes time and requires continuous involvement of local business communities. We are grateful to the various local business communities that are already participating in our litigation. If your local business community has an interest in this and is not yet involved, reach out to us and join us. Become part of a litigation strategy that is rooted in business communities' ability to create order themselves regardless of state failure.